Ready to ditch writer's block and dive headfirst into a river of story ideas? Let's harness the power of Leonardo AI to ignite your imagination and supercharge your storytelling process. First, think of a basic premise or character idea you're struggling with. It could be anything, from a medieval knight to a futuristic detective. Now, head over to Leonardo AI and input your idea into the text. Prompt: be as specific as possible. The more detail you give the AI, the more targeted and inspiring the results will be. Include details about setting, character appearance, and even mood. Browse the generated images. Don't just look at the finished product. Analyze the variations, notice the different lighting choices, the background details, and the subtle changes in character expression. How does each image make you feel? Use these images as visual storyboarding aids. Pick one image and start brainstorming scenes that could precede or follow it. What challenges does this character face? What are their motivations? Let the visual cues spark your narrative. Finally, leverage the AI to develop your characters further. Create more prompts focusing on their backstories, relationships, or specific scenarios. This helps flesh them out and discover nuances you might not have considered otherwise. By using Leonardo AI as a creative partner, you can unlock new narrative possibilities and achieve a state of flow, where the ideas just keep coming. Now, go create something amazing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPod creativity tips.